This is a red light emitting LED light bulb. It's only 3 watts because I do astronomy out of the back of my garage here, and I have this garage light. And I don't really use the light in the garage door opener. I mostly use these lights over here. But I'm going to put this guy up in there so that I can turn that on and have a red ambient light that won't hurt my night vision too badly, but let me see as I walk around. So as I said, I don't use that light much, but since I'm replacing an incandescent, I'm automatically saving power. And so now I will have a dimmer glow, less likely to affect animals or my night vision. Alright, so with the rest of my lights in the garage turned off, this gives me just enough light to kind of see where I'm walking around, not bump into things, but doesn't really affect my night vision too badly. Alright, so the telescope's out there. I have my workbench with a little LED there. And then this guy's up here, so I can see the floor area that I'm walking around in.